guys, welcome to Keeping It Simple Crafts. I hope everyone had a wonderful Christmas. Today my daughter and I stopped by Dollar Tree and they have started putting out their Valentine's Day decorations. So I wanted to share with you my Valentine's Day shopping haul. So first I want to start with this cute little red truck sign that says Happy Valentine's Day, and it's the tinsel truck. So I thought it was really cute and I like the hearts in the bed of the truck. Next, I picked up some of the solid wood hearts, and they also have them where they're divided a little bit. So these would be so cute painted, or you could do some Mod Podge. They didn't have these heart wreath forms out, but there was a lady unboxing some things and she was so sweet. So she went ahead and opened the box of these heart wreath forms for me. And then I think these are a repeat from last year. I don't remember the ones last year having the little heart in the center. And they're just styrofoam, very lightweight. And so I picked it up in the pink and also the red, and they have glitter all over them. And I was thinking these would be so pretty if you're going to change out your Christmas tree and do a Valentine's Day tree. I thought these would be so pretty in a Christmas tree. Next, I found this DIY rock painting kit. So it has 3 colors of paint, and they have different designs on the little rocks. There's different sayings. I can't think of the sayings right now, but there's several designs to choose from, and they're very heavy too, so these would look pretty in a little fairy garden. And then I found some of the decorative, it says mesh. I don't know, I used to call it snowy mesh, so I don't know what you like to call it, but it's 6 inches by 3 yards, and I found it in red and pink. Actually, my daughter found it for me. Next are the heart picks, and I found them in the pink glitter and also the red glitter. And I don't remember last year them having them with the center cut out. I just remember them having them like this. So I also bought them in the red and then the pink. And then here's another new one that I don't remember Dollar Tree having last year. The ones that say love. And this is a 7-piece set, and they also have it in red. And here it is in the red glitter, the love picks. And so there's 7 pieces in each package. And then I found some of the foam. This just says Decor, but it reminds me of the table scatter. And so these are lightweight and easy to glue on a crafting project. And so there's 24 hearts in each package. We found some of the cutest felt stickers, and they're little cupcakes. And they have the little heart jewel bead for the cherry on top. So aren't those cute? And there's 18 little felt stickers per package. And they had some different designs in these too. They had hearts also. And then I found some of the cutest ribbon. So it's 9 feet and it's 5/8 inch width. And so this one's so cute. I don't know if you can tell the little sloth. I think my favorite find are these cute heart grapevine wreaths. There's 5 little heart wreaths in each package, and I've never seen these before, so let me know if these are new for 2020 or 2021 actually. And as you can see, some of them don't really look that much like a heart, so kind of when you're picking out your packages, try to look and see, because these look more like a heart than the first package does. Dollar Tree always has the cutest socks for the different holidays, so I picked up 2 pairs of their Valentine's Day socks. I picked up 1 pair with the little cats with the cute heart-shaped sunglasses, and then I had to pick up the crew socks that have a cute little gnome holding a heart. And last, I have this craft bottle. It has a cute little gold lid, so lots of ways to use this little jar. And then last, I love Dollar Tree's gift bags. They're so cute and only $1, so we picked up 1 gift bag. And I think that's it for my Dollar Tree Valentine's Day shopping haul. So I hope you enjoyed this video, and I hope you're having a great week. I almost forgot to ask you, I'm curious, when do you take your Christmas tree down? I usually wait till after January 1st, but let me know in the comments section when you take your Christmas tree down.